Hey, what's going on, guys? I wanted to do a really quick video today to talk about my 4 favorite beard conditioners slash co-washes of the year for 2020. There are some great products out there. These are just 4 that I have used the most this year, and I wanted to talk quickly about each one and talk about why I like them. So let's roll the intro and then we'll get into it. All right, guys, so if you're new to beard care products and you hear the word conditioner or you hear the word co-wash, you're wondering, what are those? Are they the same? Are they different? By and large, they're the exact same thing. So conditioner, I guess if you wanted to be technical, conditioner would be you wash your beard with a beard wash. You should never just use hair shampoo. It's bad for the beard. Wash your beard with a beard wash, and then you would put a conditioner in and leave it on for a few minutes and rinse it out. That would be using it as a conditioner. If you hear the term co-wash, it really means conditioning wash. And if you hear that phrase or you read that in terms of the bearded community, so to speak, then it just means conditioning wash. And that's where, especially a lot of times during the winter, I don't wash my beard every day. In fact, I'll wash it maybe twice a week because I'm not really getting sweaty. I'm not playing golf. I'm not out in the heat. I'm not mowing the yard. I'm not working out as much as I should. So rather than wash with a beard wash and then rinse that out and put conditioner in and leave that in for a few minutes and rinse it out, I'll just use conditioner or co-wash as my beard wash. So that's the difference. If you're wondering, they're the same thing. They're the same thing. So there really have been 4 conditioners and co-washes I've been using the most this year. These aren't going to be in any particular order. They're all really good, and I use them each differently for different things or different times of day and that sort of thing. So the first one I want to talk about is the Grave Before Shave beard conditioner. Grave Before Shave, as you guys probably know, is one of the larger companies out there that makes beard products, and I love all their products. They make some really great beard butter. They make some really great beard oil. They make some really good beard balm, and their beard wash and beard conditioners are both really good. So I want to talk about the conditioner here for a minute. So the beard wash comes in a black tube. It's basically the reverse of this. It's a black tube with white logo and text. And the conditioner then is this white with black. This comes in their, I think it's their OG scent. It's an amazing scent. It's a little bit strong, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It's a bit of a cologne-y scent, but it's fresh. I mean, it's one of the freshest scents of any beard product I've ever smelled. But what I really like about this beard conditioner is it leaves my beard extremely soft. Typically, I use the Grave Before Shave beard conditioner at night. I'll wet my beard with cool water. I'll kind of just massage a little bit of water in there. I'll comb through. I'll let it set for a couple seconds, get the excess water out. Then I'll just take the beard conditioner, put it in there, and I'll leave it in for 4 or 5 minutes while I brush my teeth, do whatever I have to do, rinse it out, put my beard oil and beard butter in for the night, and the next morning I wake up, my beard is typically pretty silky smooth and soft, which is awesome. So number 1, Grave Before Shave. I think it's a great product. Number 2, and you can tell from the video there and also from me just holding this up here, this gets a lot of use. In fact, to the point where the label is kind of wearing down there. That's the Luxurious Bastards Coconut Breeze conditioning beard conditioner and beard co-wash. Now, this, like the Grave Before Shave, leaves my beard extremely soft. The one thing I really like about Dave's formula is the scent. All right, guys, so to me, it's Coconut Breeze, but if I had to describe it, I could describe it in 2 ways. The first way is coconut vanilla. The way I smell it, much more vanilla with just a hint of coconut. It's an amazing scent. I have a much better description of this scent, and that is if you have ever been to Las Vegas and you've either been to the Mirage or to Treasure Island, you'll know that they put a scent in the air conditioning system. Interestingly enough, I had a client one time who was a salesperson for the company that sold those scents that they put into HVAC systems. It's really fascinating. Anyway, so this Coconut Breeze, lost a light there, man. We're going to keep on rolling because that's what we do. All right, so the Coconut Breeze in and of itself smells almost exactly like the scent that they put in Treasure Island or TI that they pump into the casino. That's one of my wife and I's favorite casinos to play craps at. We had a big win there one time, so maybe that's why I love the scent. Dave, if you're watching this, just so you know, can't go wrong with Luxurious Bees Co-Wash Coconut Breeze. You'll see I'm not going to, in some of my videos like the oils and balms and butters, I put the ingredients up. I'm not going to do that here. I'll link up to all these products down in the description below, and you can kind of read through and see what the ingredients are. For these 4 products, I've never had any adverse problems with my beard. All right, so number 3 on the list, and let's see here. I was hoping I had a flashlight handy, but I don't think I do. So next up is Uncle Donnie's Original Scent Beard Conditioning Wash. And the reason I was going to, I probably can't see anyway, the reason I was going to see if I had a flashlight is I'm almost down to the end of this and I need to reorder. As always, these aren't sponsored reviews, man. I'm telling you guys what I think about products I bought and I like. So Uncle Donnie's Original Scent. What I like about Uncle Donnie's Original Scent is that even though it's original scent, to me, it is unscented. I mean, to me, it smells like just the product with no additional scent. I don't know if Uncle Donnie's puts additional scent in there, but one of the things I like about the original scent Uncle Donnie's is that to me, it's almost like unscented. So a lot of times, if I'm going to wear a stronger beard oil, beard balm, or beard butter during the day, when I take my shower in the morning, I'll use Uncle Donnie's, because it does a good job of softening up my beard, conditioning my beard, but doesn't leave a scent that is going to interfere with the beard oil or beard balm scents that I'm wearing for the day. Some of you guys may not care about that, and a lot of the times I don't either. But sometimes when I'm wearing complex scented beard products, it's almost like cologne, especially, some of the Grave Before Shave, Luxurious Bastard, Artius Man, they all have distinct and fairly strong scents, and I like them. That's why I bought them, and I don't want, my beard wash or co-wash really overpowering or messing up that scent. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Uncle Donnie's is number 3 on my list. All right, so I want to talk about number 4 on my list, and that is the beard softener from Beard Brand. And I'm going to link a video up here that I did a couple years ago entitled Beard Brand, Is It Worth the Price? And I'm going to have to do another video about Beard Brand because my opinion on the company, I think, has changed quite a bit over the last couple of years. And what I've really learned is that I like their products. At first, I really didn't like their utility balm, what I would consider their beard balm, because to me it kind of fell in between categories. It wasn't really a balm, but it really wasn't a butter. But as I've grown my beard out, and I've shaved it off a couple times, but as I've grown my beard out and it gets longer, what I'm finding is I'm using butter a lot in the beginning, and then there's this transition period where I'm using balm because my beard, and I'm about there now, probably the next 3 weeks to 4 weeks, it's going to get real wavy, and I really have to use heavier balm to keep it in place. And then once it gets long enough where gravity takes over, I go back to butter and I don't wear balm as much during the day. What I've learned about Beard Brand is that utility balm kind of does the job of both balm and butter, and it took me a while to figure that out. But that's not what I'm talking about today. So let's talk about the beard conditioner from Beard Brand. Beard Brand is interesting in that they make kind of different levels of products. So on this one, It's kind of hard to see with that light out. I'll kind of bring it over here where my main light, my key light is shining on here. And of course, this one has the gold label. So gold label with black writing on it. They also have a silver label, which is one step down. I don't think it doesn't mean it's any worse in quality. It's that the scent oils are less expensive. So the essential scent oils are the ones in most beard products that make that price go up. The more complicated, complex, or hard to get oils that a company is putting in for their scents, the more expensive it's going to be. So with the gold line, this is Temple Smoke. They also have two other scents in the gold line. One is Old Money, and people rave about Old Money. It's good. I like it, but it's my third favorite of the three. But that's subjective for sure. My favorite's Temple Smoke. Then I like the Four Vices as well. Then the Old Money. Anyway, so whether you get the gold label, the silver label, or their more budget products, they're all great products. So anyway, the way I use this one, and I'll set that down, but the way I use the Temple Smoke beard softener is only if I'm wearing the Temple Smoke product line all day. I'll wash with the wash. I'll hit my beard with the beard softener in the shower, let it sit, rinse it out, and then I'll use the oil and the utility balm. And I'm probably doing that. I'm probably wearing Temple Smoke about once or twice a week. I'll tell you, I tend to wear Temple Smoke a lot if it's a day that I have to wear a suit. It just lends itself to that. I'm wearing a suit, I'm getting dressed up, kind of, I don't know, for lack of a better word, executive scent. It works really well for that. So guys, all four of those beard conditioners are really good. Those are the four I've been using the most this year. There are a lot of other great beard conditioners out there from our other beard companies that make great products. Those are just four that I have been gravitating to in 2020, which I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing because it is 2020. Let's hope 2021 is better. So let me know what you guys think. If you've used any of these four products, let me know what you guys think. Also, as always, guys, leave me a comment down there if you're using something different because I'm always looking for other products to try, other products to review. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit that thumbs down twice. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We're mainly talking about beard products, watches, and probably some whiskeys and bourbons on this channel. So if you're interested in any or all of those, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. It helps me out, helps the channel out, helps me put out better content. Appreciate it as always. See you in the next one.